Today's recipe is called as the kadai chicken. Kadai chicken is from the southern parts of India that you can find with nice spices that goes along with a nice yummy gravy. So let's get started on how to make this. Initially, you will be dry roasting all these dry ingredients until they are nice and fragrant, and blending it and setting it aside. Marinate the chicken pieces with ginger garlic paste. Prepare the ingredients. So initially, you're dry roasting some garam masalas along with some onions and the masalas that we blended in. Mix it quite well. Add in your chicken pieces, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and stir fry for a while until the chicken is half cooked. Add in a cup of water with some capsicum inside, and voila, the dish is ready. You can enjoy this yummy dish with some nice chapatis or rotis and with some rice, and enjoy.